Today we're going to talk to you about different kind of market. Buyer's market, seller's market, and balanced market. I get this question all the time, and I'm sure you hear it all the time. So there's really simple explanation to it. We're going to go in detail right here, and we're going to show you the chart. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me or Mr. Mia here, and we're going to go, again, more details if you require more detail, okay? So let's start, and I'm going to step aside and explain to you how things work. Today, we're going to talk about sales to new ratio.
Very important.
Very, very important if you want to know what market we are in. So sales to new ratio means homes sold, number of homes sold divided by the number of new listings on a given period of time. As Ozzy showed you here, there is a formula, sales to new listing ratio. It means number of sales, homes sold divided by number of new listing multiplied by 100. Now, if this number is below 40%, is a buyer market. It means more supply than demand, and price may decrease and go down. Anything between 40 to 60% is a balanced market. This is where you want it to be. Supply and demand are roughly equal, which means there are roughly enough buyers and sellers on the market. This is a perfect scenario. Now, if that sales to new listing ratio goes above 60%, is a seller's market. It means more demand than supply. Now, we have seen this scenario in the last few years. Remember, 2018, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. That's what the scenario was, above 60%. Yeah. That's what you will see multiple offers, because there's not many homes on the market, and people are bidding. Like, for example, there are 100 buyers or 20 buyers for one home. That's what you were seeing above 60%. Now, what we're going to show you is down below it is the chart that shows last year compared to this year. January 2024, sales to new ratio was at 50%. Yeah. What are we falling into then?
We are at
balanced market. This is where you want it to be. That's what it was last year as of January 24. Now we're at 31%. What did we fall into? Buyer's market. That's fantastic. This is great news if you're a first-time home buyer, if you're looking to buy a property, because now you have an opportunity to negotiate. There are 20, 30, 40, 50 homes instead of one or two homes for you to view and purchase. That's if you are a first time. Again, if you're a buyer, you want this. But if you're, to me, the best time is a balanced market, so it equals, everything is equal. So again, you can see the difference is huge from last year to this year. 19% different.